Alright guys, we are going to be testing out some Meguiar's PlastX and see how good of a job it does at turning this yellowed headlight into something a bit cleaner. And basically all I'm doing is I've got some water right here, so I'm just gonna get cloth and I'm following the instructions on this thing. So basically just gonna wipe it first, and then we're going to add some of it onto this guy, drill. This is just a foam pad, and I'm gonna work that in, and that's it. So pretty simple, and we'll see how this does, so stay tuned. Alright, here's what it looks like afterwards, and wow, that really cleaned up fast. Wasn't even 5 or 10 minutes, but granted I am cheating with that, so but yeah, I think it's looking pretty nice, and now it fits more with that fog light, so looking good.